We are coming into the old Tombstone western town. We have the Gunfighter Hall of Fame over here. This fella's been here for a long time. John Wayne would like to welcome us to Old Tombstone Western Theme Park. And I'm happy to say, and this is something that most people don't know, but historic Tombstone was the very first Old West town to have an ATM. Long before they hit the streets of the city. You could come to Tombstone in the 1800s and pull your cash right out. Amazing. Got an old mining cart here and a miner shack. You know, the problem with these is that there are only two of us, and so we can't take our pictures in there. There's a chuck wagon. It doesn't look like they're open. There's a cantina here. You should play the shooting game. Perfect size. I'll keep that in mind. We could totally bring the grandkids here. There's ponchos. Doesn't look like they're open. And that's where, I guess, where they have the historic shootout right in there, which we missed.
Yeah, you got my tickets.
Well, that was the old Tombstone theme park. Are you going to shoot for us? I got $1. This is my sharpshooting veteran husband here.
You're ready to shoot!
Let's see where we're at.
I think you missed the rattlesnake.
Where's that at?
That rock right in front of you.
Oh.
Did you get the boots?
I got an extra 5 shots because I never missed.
Well, now I know that you will shoot everything that threatens us except for rattlesnakes. Maybe I can get do you think I can get a hat here at Western Clothing? historic Boothill graveyard. The Boothill graveyard was established as a burial place in 1878, and it was called the Tombstone Cemetery, and it has some of the town's first pioneers, and they used this actively until 1884, at which time they created another bigger graveyard that would hold more people. This is known as the Old Cemetery, and it's got some people who died here very violently. Of course, this was the quote Old West, and lots going on here with gunslingers and outlaws and stuff like that. But there are an awful lot of unknowns. A lot of the markers here say unknown on them. Research has shown that these are who they think the unknowns are. Mrs. Stewart died in 1880, and she is said to be the first woman who was buried in this cemetery. Sam Harris died in 1889, having been born in 1888, and he's buried in the old Jewish plot. I love knowing that there were Jews here in the Old West. This is the Jewish memorial here at the Tombstone Cemetery, and as a naturally born member of the Jewish community, I'm going to add my rock. Welcome to the historic district, Bisbee.